Hi, my name is EJ Sun. This is homework 1, question 3. Um, the question is a digital signal 1 or 0 is transmitted through a noisy channel. The received data may be different from the signal sent out. Suppose the transmitter sends out 0 with probability 0.6 and 1 with probability 0.4. 1, 0 is transmitted. The receiver receives 0 with probability 0.7 and 1 with probability 0.3. 1, 1 is transmitted. The receiver receives 0 with probability 0.2 and 1 with probability 0.8. So question 1, find the probability that data 0 is received. Find the so the probability the data 0 is received, we set up it as receive 0. The probability of receive 0 can be divided to two parts. So the first part is we can see in the figure. We first send out the transmitter send out data 0, and then on this condition, the receiver may receive data 0 or data 1. So we need to calculate this part. And so this is the first part. So the transmitter send out data 0. So we define it as T transmitter send out data 0 and receiver receive data 1, data 0. So this is the first part. We define it as R0. This is the first part, and the second part is the transmitter. The transmitter send out data 1, and on this condition, depends on this condition, the receiver may receive data 0 and data 1. So when we write it down, the transmitter send out data 1. We assume as T1. And the receiver data 1, data 0. Okay, so we can find out, so how do we calculate these two parts? So the transmitter is probably to send out data 0 with probability 0.6 for the first part. So we can see the probability the transmitter send out data 0 and the times depends, gives this condition, the receiver receives data 0. So it's probability that the receive data 0 depends on the transmitter send out data 0. And the same as similar for the second part. So plus the transmitter send out data 1, and the receiver receive data 0 depends on the condition the transmitter send out data 1. So we can go back, find the probability. So yeah, for the first part, the transmitter send out the data 0 is the probability of that is 0.6 times. So it depends on this probability. There's a 0.7 probability the receiver receives 0.7. Seems here that the transmitter send out data 1, the probability of that is 0.4 times the probability the receive receive data 0, the probability of that is 0.2. And we can calculate that is 0.42 plus 0.08 and equal to 0.5. Okay, and that's the first question.